Ever wondered how to improve your posture? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. The humble pull-up, often overlooked, holds the key to a better stance and a healthier spine. Pull-ups aren't just a show-off move at the gym, they're a powerhouse of a workout, targeting multiple muscle groups in one go. Think about it. Each time you hoist yourself up, you're engaging your back, shoulders, arms, and core. This isn't just about building strength, it's about sculpting a well-balanced physique. So, what's the connection between pull-ups and posture? Good posture isn't just about standing tall, it's about the balance between your muscle groups. When your back and shoulder muscles are strong and well-developed, they naturally pull your body into alignment. Pull-ups, with their focus on the upper body and core, help to correct the all-too-common hunched shoulders and forward head posture that come from hours spent slouched over a computer or smartphone. These exercises encourage your shoulders to roll back and down, lifting your chest and bringing your spine into alignment. Now, you may be thinking, pull-ups sound great, but they're too tough for me. Not so fast. Everyone starts somewhere. Today, you might struggle to do even one, but with consistency and determination, you will improve. Start with assisted pull-ups or negatives. Gradually work your way up to unassisted pull-ups. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but about doing them correctly. Quality over quantity, always. So, are you ready to pull up for better posture? Give it a try. Embrace the challenge and see the difference it makes to your posture, your confidence, and your overall health. Thank you for taking the time to listen. If you found this information helpful and want more tips on fitness and health, do subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide and inspire you on your journey to better health. Here's to standing tall and strong together.